Hey guys, Dane here. As you can see, I've got a pull-down kitchen faucet with a leaky hose. Fortunately, this is a super simple fix and today I'll show you how. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to help me out by hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel. It would be very much appreciated.
DIY Dane.
Before anything, some may recommend closing the supply lines. This would prevent making a wet mess if you were accidentally turn on the faucet, but I'm just going to be careful and not do that. So the first thing you'll want to do is find the weight that's clamped onto the hose and remove it by releasing the tab. Then locate the quick disconnect and press its button to release the hose. You can then remove the hose from the faucet. Using an adjustable wrench, unscrew the hose from the faucet head. If there's calcium or debris buildup in the faucet head's wand screen, now would be a good time to clean it out. You could use pliers or something small like a paper clip to remove the wand screen if it's difficult to clear it this way. Now we can take our new hose, feed it through the faucet, and screw on the faucet head. We'll then locate the quick disconnect again, remove the protective cap from the hose, and press it in until you feel and hear it click into place. Pull the hose down until you see the tape, which indicates where to place your weight. Then secure the weight in place with the tab. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching.